The time now, it's 11 o'clock on this Tuesday night, March 11th, 2014. Time now for the Whatever Juicer PJ Wiggins, the Late Night Report. Tuesday night, March 11th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock in North Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 36 degrees with first gas, humidity 6%, wind speed is calm, barometer 20.71 inches.
For this faithful dog's final
Dew point about 26 degrees, visibility 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of batches of rain showers down through Poughkeepsie and Newburgh and Southern New York, and down through the Bronx, Princeton and New York City, down for southwestern Connecticut around Stamford and Greenwich here. And the rain showers extend through central and western New York, down to northern Pennsylvania, down for northeastern Ohio, down for southeastern Michigan, around Detroit, and stretching it down for Ohio, down for southern Indiana, Illinois, and down for northern Kentucky, and down for Missouri, with a couple of batches of showers of few storms. Some snow showers in northern Illinois, around the Chicago area, and sleet and rain showers from north central Illinois, and stretching down through southern Iowa, and some snow showers of south central Iowa, down for northwestern portions of Missouri. Rain, sleet, and snow showers of the southeastern portion of Nebraska, down for central portions of Kansas here, and some snow and sleet and rain showers of southeastern Wisconsin around Milwaukee and searching on some Wisconsin. Snow showers west and northeastern portions of Minnesota, down for northern portions of Wisconsin and the central portions of northern Michigan and western portions of Ontario.
But notice tomorrow afternoon the heavy rains start to come in.
After the snow showers of northeastern portions of Maine, down for western portions of Nebraska, down for southeastern, eastern, and western portions of Quebec. Snow showers in central and eastern portions of Nova Scotia here. Snow showers in western and southeastern portions of Prince Edward Island here.
By the time this is done, let's say noontime.
Rain showers in western portions of Florida, down for southwestern portions of Georgia, down for Seminole, Alabama, down for southeastern portions of Mississippi here.
Wind chill, bitter cold, all part.
Rain, snow showers in south central portions of Colorado from Denver down through Pueblo here. Snow flurries down for southern and central portions of Utah. Snow showers in southeastern portions of Montana down through northeastern portions of Wyoming, down for western portions of South Dakota. Rain showers in central portions of South Dakota. Snow showers in the northeastern portions of North Dakota, down for central portions of Manitoba. Sleet and snow showers in Saskatchewan. Snow showers in the northeastern portions of British Columbia. Toronto, Montana. Good evening. 30 degrees, 40 degrees with clear skies.
Into the mystery surrounding the disappearance of that Malaysian air flight. The Malaysian military is.
Okay, let's put together a satellite loop here.
The planes
Clouds from northern Florida stretch down the southeastern states, and have a batch of clouds from Atlantic and down after northern New England, from New England stretching down for the Great Lakes and stretching down to
solid. More than 40.
Kansas and Oklahoma, and stretching down Minnesota down for the Dakotas and up in the
Now the Malaysian military backing away from
Manitoba, stretching down Saskatchewan down for Alberta, down for British Columbia, and stretching down western Montana down for western portions of Idaho.
miles over land for an hour.
Batch of clouds to Colorado, New Mexico, and batch of clouds from eastern portions of Colorado down to California down for southern portions of New Mexico. Here.
No one on land ever.
Okay, let's take a look at a map situation here.
And now criticism.
Station farm from southern portions of California, stretching down to Arizona, and a coal farm from Arizona down to Mexico, down to northern Texas, and stretching to Oklahoma, and station farm from Missouri, and warm farm from Indiana, Ohio, down to West Virginia, and cold front from DC, stretching out to sea.
With fake passports.
Cold front stretching from southern
Just 19
Saskatchewan down from Manitoba,
asylum in Germany.
and stretching out Ontario down to Quebec here, and a pink front from
Connection to terror.
northeast of Quebec down out to the Gulf of St. Lawrence here, and a station front from eastern Mexico, stretching the Gulf of Mexico and off the Florida Gulf Coast here. For the boundary down the California coast, and for the boundary down for the Carolinas there. We got a 52-degree reading in Boston, 61 out in Washington, D.C., 70 in Atlanta, 75 in Miami, 67 in Brownsville, 73 in Dallas, Kansas City. Last time we were here, 73 degrees. Right now, 44 degrees. A big 29-degree temperature drop. 38 in Chicago, 37 in Minneapolis, 30 in Denver, 54 out in Albuquerque, 49 in Salt Lake City, 40 in Great Falls, 57 in Seattle, 68 in San Francisco, and 69 in Los Angeles.
Are searching for 6 people in this video. They attacked a man.
Regional temperatures here, it's 39 in Boston, it's 36 in Pittsburgh, 35 in Bedford, 40 in Beverly, 41 in Boston, 33 in Norwood, 39 in Taunton, 40 in New Bedford, 34 in Falmouth, 39 in Chatham, 41 in Nantucket, 44 in Martha's Vineyard, it's 46 in Buck Island, 40 in Buck Island, 43 in Warwick, 45 out in Smithfield, 39 in Webster, 40 in Sturbridge 44 in
Argument that triggered the
Milford 44 out in Worcester 36 in Fitchburg 32 out in Garner 38 in Greenfield 36 in Amherst 38 in Springfield 42 in Pittsfield 35 in North Adams 21 in Albany 43 in Bennington 34 in Keene 30 out in Concord 39 in Manchester, New Hampshire 36 in Nashville, New Hampshire 43 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire 48 in Windsor Locks 42 in Hartford 43 in Meriden 40 in Waterbury 35 in Danbury 40 out in Bridgeport 44 in New Haven and 40 in New London and it's 47 out in Montauk 45 in Islip and 47 in New York City.
A little unsettling, you know. Come on.
Alright, let's take a look
thrown to the floor, punched and kicked.
at our
Video recorded by passengers sitting nearby.
That's unbelievable.
HPC forecast discussion here.
Lost the words right now.
It is hard to watch. That's the girl.
Surveillance
Heavy snow over northern New England there. Temperatures will be 10 to 20 degrees below average over the Great Lakes, and temperatures will be 10 to 15 degrees above average for the Mid-Atlantic states. Development storm over the middle Mississippi Valley will move northeastward or to the Gulf of Maine by Thursday morning. The system will produce snow over the parts of the Central Plains Rockies that will move to the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and then it's fine. The heavy snow by Wednesday morning. The heavy snow will move into the northern New England by Wednesday evening, waning to light snow by Thursday morning, and showers and thunderstorms also develop over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley. On Tuesday evening, an area of heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms will develop over the parts of the central Appalachians on Wednesday morning. In addition, showers and thunderstorms will develop along the central and eastern Gulf Coast and moving into Florida by Wednesday evening. Furthermore, moderate to heavy rain will develop over parts of the southern Ohio Valley to southern New England, moving into parts of the Mid-Atlantic by Wednesday evening. By Thursday morning, the storm will be moving off in eastern Canada with light snow remaining over parts of New England.
He's the man walking in the...
Meanwhile, high pressure will develop over the central Rockies, moving in Texas by Wednesday evening and Thursday. The circulation around high will aid in the producing center and winds over parts of the southwestern California by Wednesday. And elsewhere, a warm front will move in across the upper Midwest lane and producing a region of snow over the paths over the upper Great Lakes on Thursday morning. There. Alright, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for
Went to the hospital with minor injuries.
New England air. Strong coastal storm will track across the southern New England coast in winter. Wednesday and early Thursday, as heavy rain will be the primary precipitation type except across far northwest Massachusetts and southwest New Hampshire, where winter remains likely Wednesday before changing over to snow Wednesday night. Most locations will be end as a bit of snow Thursday morning, but at highlight Thursday will be an Arctic surge over a spread in the region on strong northwest winds. Modern weather returns Friday and Saturday before another storm in the Florida, whereas Sunday and early next week. So the temperature roller coaster will continue on and on. Temperatures this evening have quickly dropped back to the 30s and middle 40s in most forecasts after a mild afternoon. Just the mild clouds and light winds have allocated a quick drop in the temperature to occur. Thicker mid-level cloudiness will begin to spill into the region over the next several hours from the west. Therefore, lower temperatures may only drop a few more degrees and eventually level off in some of the areas that have radiated out quickly. Except most locations will be in the 30s by daybreak on Wednesday. Low-level dry air in place will keep the bulk of precipitation until after 12Z Wednesday. Calm and warm advection aloft may allow some light scattered precipitation to develop across portions of western Massachusetts, western Massachusetts between 9Z and 12Z. For example, mainly light rain, but some pockets of light snow will be possible in southwest New Hampshire. There will be a low probability for torrential light freeze rain, but temperatures are true monitor right now for a big threat. Look to the monitor closely.
The victim herself calling detectives after she noticed her.
Did you get outside and enjoy the mild weather? I sure did, and like many of you, and we're gonna check out
The nearby squad car with the victim sat waiting. The police report says she became visibly upset and had trouble speaking. She then proceeded to
We're gonna check out
down several times and stated, "Yes, that's him." Courier's attorney calls it an unfortunate case of mistaken identity.
My client has no prior record whatsoever. He's a professional person. He lives with his fiancée.
highs.
Berrigan told the judge evidence
It was 60 degrees in Boston here.
Courier has an alibi.
He was home all evening and in company with his fiancée.
And it was 50s to 60s around the place. It was a beautiful day.
Courier to be fitted with a GPS ankle.
But let's get focused on this storm here.
Watching the North End. I'm Mary.
Storm to bring more rain than snow Wednesday and Thursday along with a brief wintry mix. Time and snow begins by early Wednesday morning. Precipitation changes at all. Rain by midday Wednesday. Changes to wintry mix early Wednesday night. Then there's all snow overnight. In fact, 41 inches in street flood in Wednesday afternoon and evening, and flash freeze expected overnight Wednesday then the Thursday morning commute. Wind weather rises via extreme northwestern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire and up in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And we get Less than an inch in Southern Rhode Island and for Central Connecticut. Widespread winds possible from Cape Manhattan, stretching about TV, East Massachusetts, and Central Northern Rhode Island and for Central, Southern Western County, and Southern Hampshire County and Springfield. 2 to 4 inches from West Central Massachusetts up and Northern Western County and for Southern New Hampshire. 4 to 6 inches from extreme North Western Massachusetts and for southwestern portions of New Hampshire. And 6 to 8 inches from Western New Hampshire. And if you want to know what the jackpot is, this is a water swap from North Central Maine down for Northern New Hampshire down to Vermont, stretching in Northeastern and Central New York from the Albany Buffalo corridor down for the Northwest of Pennsylvania. They will get the jackpot. Predicting 16.8 inches, 16.7 from Millinocket, 14.1 inches Bangor, 15.9 inches up in Western Maine, 15.4 inches for Burlington, 16.4 inches in Brentland, 16.3 inches in Syracuse, and 14.4 inches in Buffalo. We may be lucky with a little snow, but this will be the jackpot. Ski areas around this area will be thriving in this weekend for some spring skiing on tap.
At 11, the Justice Department is opening a criminal investigation into General Motors over the automaker's failure to deadly safety.
School bus forecast, 7 a.m., 35 degrees and few showers, and 2 p.m., rainy skies and 51 degrees. So, kids, bring the umbrellas with you.
Massive recall last
To from school and on the way home from school because it is gonna be a wet Wednesday on tap. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this here. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast here. Overnight, most of Cascade, low in 36 degrees, calm wind. Wednesday, rain likely mainly after 2 p.m. Petrified afternoon. Otherwise, Cascade high near 49 degrees, calm wind becoming an east spot. 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning, chance of precipitation 70%. New precipitation amounts between 10 to 1/4 inch possible. Wednesday night, rain petrified before 2 a.m. Low around 24 degrees. Light and variable wind becoming the northwest about 6 to 11 miles per hour at midnight. Chance of precipitation 70%. New precipitation amounts between 1/2 and 3/4 inch possible. Thursday, snow likely mainly before noon. Most of Cascade high near 25 degrees. Northwest wind about 13 to 17 miles per hour. Gust size 36 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 6%. New snow accumulation around an inch possible. Thursday night, chance of snow showers before 7 p.m. Parts of Cascade low in 10 degrees. Northwest wind about 11 to 17 miles per gust size, 40 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 30%. Friday, Saints Cascade near 36 degrees. Friday night, most Cascade low 28 degrees. Saturday, chance of rain and snow showers, parts of Saints Cascade near 50 degrees, chance of precipitation 30%. Sunday night, Park Cascade low 28 degrees. Sunday, most Saints Cascade near 42 degrees. Sunday night, Park Cascade low 21 degrees. Monday, parts of Saints Cascade near 33 degrees. Monday night, most Cascade low 18 degrees. But Tuesday, parts of Saints Cascade near 36 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the night. A wet Wednesday and tap for tomorrow. This is PG with a beautiful good night with a good positive to be seen tomorrow morning. Good night.